Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, I this is my waist bead. This is my waist bead. This one has my name on it, and this one this one is for sale. So it's a waist bead, but I like to wear it on my hand. Yes, and at times I wear it on my neck. So if you like this waist bead, you can place order for your own. Yes. They are all fortified. It's for favor, for protection, and for love. Yes. I cannot explain everything. So, you're welcome to our channel. If you are just seeing this face for the first time, let me do my eye for you. Somebody say, let me wink my eye. Make the Lord say, wink. I no go school. I don't know how to say wink. Let me do my eye for you. So, you're welcome to our channel. Please, if you are seeing me for the first time, don't mind this my play. Subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm your sister. I'm your sister. Just subscribe to my channel. Just click that subscribe button. And you will join this family. And I'm very, very sure you'll be glad you did so. Okay? In fact, you begin to even think, where have I even been all this while? Why didn't I even join this lady in the first place before now? Okay? So today, I want to show us something. How to attract money. Okay? See, I showed us something like this last time. And some of us came back with their testimonies. See, I always like to teach something on how to attract money because a lot of people need money. Somebody was saying, I am a civil servant, I am a salary worker, I earn salary monthly. How do I attract money? See, your salary is just to maintain poverty. Okay? But when God wants to bless you, He will open an effectual door before you, a door that no man can shut. And opportunities will begin to knock on your door. Things that will make you to make money. Yes, they will begin to call you on phone. They will begin to send you messages. You begin to come across things that will make you to make extra money outside your job. Why? Because you are doing some of this stuff that we are showing on the channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to attract money in a very simple way. Yes, what I'm going to show you now, all of us have it in our house. We all have the alternative. Yes, even if you don't have exact what I'm going to show you, you will have the alternative of it. And it is very, very simple. Just do it and then leave the rest to God. Yes, it is. See, it is written by strength shall no man prevail. Yes, if you think it is by your sense, by your muscle, that you can become somebody. All this agberu, all this tout, all these truck pushers, all these people that used to offload goods in warehouses, if you see their muscles, see their packs, they would have been billionaires. Yes. But it is not by that. Spiritual controls the physical. This is a basic fact. It is not a theory. It is a basic fact. And when you follow it, you'll be amazed. Your salary will start coming to your account unnoticed. Why? Because God has opened a way for you to be making more money. We are doing this thing now, we are showing you and we are smiling, and you will think it's a joke. It is not. Okay? So, in our previous class, we've learned about how to make this particular recipe using sea salt or normal salt. Table salt. But today, I want us to go a little further. Today, we are going to use Himalayan salt. But if you don't have Himalayan salt, this is my own. This is the type I'm using. It's pinkish in color, and it is Himalayan salt. I'm going to use this today. Okay, so, and the reason why I'm doing this today is because whenever I want to do my own spirituality, I will bring it here, do it in your presence so that you will see it. And once I do it here and keep it, it start working for me. Yes. So you have faith, okay? Do your own and keep it. So in this recipe of today, you are going to be needing your glass cup, your spoon. You'll be needing plain white paper, and then you'll be needing your currency note, because I am not talking to Nigerians alone, but this is the highest currency in Nigeria. This is a 1,000 naira note, and if you are not in Nigerian, you can use your own currency. Yes, and maybe one of these days I'm going to use dollar. Yes, now I'll put $100. I'll fold it and put it inside this place. Yes, so you can use it. You can use any amount of money. It depends on how much you want to attract. But it is not the size of the money that determines how much you will attract, but your faith. Okay, so if you believe in your heart, it will work for you. Okay, so now you will be needing water, and then you'll be needing your writing pen or marker or something. It can be a biro, it can be marker. You understand? Anyone that you have, you can even use pencil. Okay, so now how do you do this? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that time out. Levels. See, this is favor. Should I say favor and anti-witchcraft oil? This is favor oil, okay? It's laced with anti-witchcraft. So you can add this to your cream, either a drop of it in your lotion or in your cream, and you can rub it directly. In fact, I want you to even be using it directly so that you finish quick, you place order for another one. Yes, it's very effective. This is virus removal for people that are living with the deadly virus. If you are being diagnosed positive and you are being taking drugs to keep alive, you can get rid of that virus from your body using this. Okay, it is very, very affordable, and you can get your own. This is Eya. Eya is a spiritual messenger. Yes, there is a video I've made on Eya, how to use Eya by Medilove. Just type it, you will get that video and watch it so that you can know what Eya is and how to use it. It's very, very, very effective, very, very strong. This is spiritual alligator pepper. It goes hand in hand with Eya. Okay, so if you place order for it, we can send it to you anywhere you are on the face of this earth. The only place that we have not been able to send something to is heaven and hell, because there's no address. Okay, wherever you are, we can reach out to you. Okay, all right. And then this is a spiritual husband and wife solution. You use it for 7 days. A drop of it in your water, you bathe with it. A drop of it in your water, you bathe with it. Yes, and by the grace of God, whatever demon or spirit that is in your body that is following you, disturbing your life, it will leave you, and it can show itself. Yes, so I I had an experience recently, but I don't want to bore you with it on this channel. Yes, in my spiritual journey, I've had a very funny experience. I had a very funny experience yesterday when one of the people that used this, the spirit inside of the person started attacking me, as in quarreling me, quarrel like a woman. I was like, who is this woman? Say, no, it's not a woman, it's a man. I say, a man. Like all this quarreling. No, this must be a woman. I say, but I'm seeing a fair complexion woman. This is a lady. This is a lady. Say, no, it's a man. My handler say, it's a man. No, it's not a woman. I said, no, look at her now. It's a woman. So guys, whatever I will give you here is real. Okay? So, to work for you. Now, I don't want to bore you with too many this thing. This one is atekpa, spiritual poison neutralizer. If you used to dream and eat something in your dream, you can take it. So now, let me show you how to do this. Do you know why I'm doing this? I'm showing you this now. When I uploaded the first time I uploaded that video on YouTube channel, using this, doing this thing, to even tell you how strong this thing is. It's not a joke. YouTube alone paid me over $700 or $800 and something just for that particular video alone. Yes. And then lots and lots of other things that came along with it. So you attract money in different ways. Okay, so you get your glass cup, then you open your salt. You open your salt like this one now. I can use spoon, but to be fast, I don't want to use spoon now. I just want to pour the salt inside. I put the salt. Look at the level I've put the salt now. Now I'm going to put my money in it. I'm going to fold my money. You can use coin. If you have silver coin, you can use silver coin, and you can use your notes, your currency note. Just fold it like this, and if it is paper, when you put it inside this salt, when you put water, at times it may float. Don't bother. You can, after like one hour, or maybe you can put it from morning till evening, you remove it, or you can put it for just 1 hour, you remove the paper money, dry it, and then keep it in your purse. You can spend it, it doesn't matter. Okay, now you insert it. You insert the money inside this place. Then you now add, I really want the money to be buried inside. Then you now add more salt on top. You can see that the money is no longer visible, So now that it's like this now, then you carry your paper. What type of money do you want to attract? You write the sign of that money. In my own case, I want to attract dollars, US dollar, This is the dollar sign. Then, and I also want to attract Naira, because I am a Nigerian and I live in Nigeria. I'm very proud of Nigeria. Yes, I'm very, very comfortable living in Nigeria, and that is the basic truth. So it's not everybody that is meant to live in other countries, but me, this is where God has placed me, and I'm very, very happy and comfortable with it. Okay, this is my Naira sign, and this is my dollar sign. Okay, so now I'm going to add water to it, and then place it like this on my window. Yes, this is my window. I'm going to keep it here, because when you keep it here, it will start evaporating. It is the evaporation. When it starts evaporating, you see salt covering it. Don't pour it away after 7 days. Yes, this is called Ogwego. Keep it and leave it there. Even if your window doesn't attract light, it doesn't see light, just keep it there. At least there is day and night. Okay, just keep it there. Then we are going to add water to it. Okay, you add water to it, fill it up. Yes, fill it up with water. Yes, so now my morning drawing portion is ready. Yes, so it works. This is called levels. So guys, please, if this video makes sense to you, please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and remember to share my video with your friends and family. Till I come your way again, another video. My name is Medilock, and I upload video on daily basis. Yes, I'm your sister, your unwanim, unwanyoma, your only sister. Okay, now bye.